Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video we are going to see Nifty rolling straddles using Fyers. So managing a straddle is easy until the market moves. If you are tired of sitting at your screen manually rolling your strikes every time when Nifty moves 50 points up, 50 points down, this video is for you. Today I am going to show how you can automate rolling Nifty straddles so you can trade like a pro without the emotional stress. So rolling straddles are the gold standard for range-bound markets, but manual execution leads to slippage and errors sometimes. But automating this, we ensure when stop losses are triggered without even a second delay, the new ATM strikes are going to be placed. A new order is going to be placed. So let's dive into the logic, and we are going to see three main parts in this video: how you can place the ATM short straddles, how you have to set up stop losses based on rolling rules, and tracking combined PNL with target and max loss. Okay, now let's see how can we build this automation workflow on Fyers. So you have to come into Fyers Automate. So you have to click on Create Automation. So here you will have a start trigger. You just go and edit when you wanted to execute this straddle. So I wanted to execute it on daily at 9:15 a.m. So I'm selecting this. So I'm clicking on Schedule. At 9:15 a.m. this automation workflow is going to trigger. So now what we have to do, go into Actions and place your option order. So I'll select two orders. So let me select one order only here. So here I'll click on edit. I'll go see I wanted to sell at the money, which underlying asset I wanted to sell, Nifty 50. So based on what strike I wanted to sell, ATM spot. So ATM spot, I'm also setting the stop loss here like 25%. I'm clicking on apply. So now I'll copy this. So now we have sold PE. So similarly, we wanted to sell PE also. Earlier we have sold CE, now we wanted to sell PE and click on apply. So now connect this schedule to these two triggers. So at 9:15, it is going to place this short straddle. It is going to sell at the money CE, PE exactly at 9:15 at whatever price they are trading. So now what we are going to do, if any of this stop loss is triggered, whatever we have set the stop loss, it have to square off both the positions. Again, it have to execute the next leg ATM strikes. For that, what we have to do, we have to again go into square off. We have to select square off automate positions. Come here, copy this, again keep it here. So now here you see this red one. So on stop loss, we have to square off the positions. Once we square off the positions, again what it should do, it should execute ATM, CE, PE, both it have to sell. So we are copying, pasting same thing here, and we are attaching this workflow to this. Once if any of the stop loss is triggered from the above leg, it is going to square off those positions and it is going to execute this leg. Now same way we are going to create it for the another leg. In case if PE stop loss is triggered, it is going to square off both the positions and it is going to execute another leg at the money CEPE. It is going to go ahead and sell. So now we have set a workflow where it is going to run at 9:15. It is going to place orders of at the money CEPE. It is going to sell, and we have also set stop loss in this. If any of the stop loss is triggered, it will square off and it is going to execute another leg at the money CEPE. It is going to sell. So now how can we monitor our PNL for this whole workflow? So we have to go into conditions. You have to click on OR trigger. So inside the OR trigger, so you will have automation PNL. For this automation workflow, what is the PNL you wanted to set? Here I am giving target as 10,000. Okay, check only for this automation. This checkbox you have to select. In case if this checkbox is unchecked, you have to select this checkbox, click on OK. Now we have set the target. In a similar way, you have to set the stop loss. So now here we are going to go, and here stop loss we are going to select minus 5,000. Now click on apply. So now what we are going to do, we are going to connect this workflow. So we are going to connect this workflow to this. Okay, we have connected this workflow now to this PNL as well. So now if target hit, so what we have to do, we have to auto square off the positions. For that, what we have to do, again you have to go into actions, and here you have stop automation. Okay, stop automation and square off positions. Once target or stop loss is triggered, okay, we have to stop the automation and square off the positions. So you just have to connect to this. If you click on edit, Here you see stop automation, square off positions. Here check only for this automation. So this is a check you have to select. You click on apply. Now you just click on start. It will ask for the name. So you can give Nifty Rolling Straddle, and you can click on proceed, and you can click on confirm. So exactly at 9:15 this automation workflow is going to trigger. In case if you think this is helping you, if you found this setup is helpful, hit that like button. I put the link into the automation tool here, and I will also add my WhatsApp community group here. You can go join WhatsApp community for daily updates related to the automation, related to my trading ideas. You can join there, and it is a free tool. Remember, automation is a tool, not a magic. Okay, so backtest before you go. Thanks everyone for watching this video. So please click that like and subscribe button.